G'day and welcome to Tim's YouTube channel. Alright, today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing some more work on my 80 series cruiser. It's a 1HZ diesel, non-turbo, HZJ80R. So stay tuned and don't forget, like, subscribe and feel free to comment as much as you like. Thanks for now. Alright, so today we are replacing that plate there and bringing that, supposedly this, back down to about here somewhere. So we're doing that. I'm also replacing this arm here, this arm from there to there, called the Panhard arm. So that'll be fun. See what happens with that. And replacing that one, bringing that down to there. So yeah, so we'll see what happens. Yay. Okay, that big long one is the rear Panhard arm. That plate and that plate are the two new rear sway bar extension plates. Alright, so that's that one fitted. There, bigger, longer one. And that's the other one fitted. I broke a bolt on that side, so it's going to have to wait. I've had to drill it out. I've got to get a bigger bolt. So she's going to have to sit and wait for a couple of days till I can get to the hardware to get another bolt. Damn it. But anyway, it's in, fitted. All there, just ready to go. These are things that do happen, so yeah. Anyway, getting there slowly. Okay, this has been such a bitch to get undone. The bolt here, across, and I've just got the bolt off out of that one. I had to jack it up, put it on a wheel stand, take the wheel off. Heaps and heaps of WD-40 and a big long breaker bar on it. So yeah, hopefully it's not going to be as hard to get this bloody bar out as what it is to get the bloody thing undone. So yeah, we'll see. Okay, that's the old and the new together. I've just taken the old one out, and as you can see, I've got to adjust the new one that much. So yeah, but anyway, still a bit of a job, but yeah, we'll get there. Alright, so that's the two of them. I've adjusted this one now, which is pretty much on line, and the other one is in line there. So all going well, should be just fine. So what I'll do, so I'll put it in. I won't fit the lock nuts up just yet until it's in, and then we'll see how we go. Okay, that is the new Panhard arm bolted up and in place, and all I've got to do now is tighten this one and then tighten this one, and then we're done. So yeah, not an easy job, a lot of bit of stuffing around and stuff. I had to put a strap across from over on the spring across to here and around and under and back to here. I'm sorry, I've taken it off, to pull the body across to be able to get that bolt lined up to get back in the hole, which is in a hole which is in the back of that plate. So there's no nut, so the bolt just goes straight through. So to line that up in the right spot with the bar the same length that it was that I took out, I had to pull the body across that way to make the holes line up. So we'll see how we go, but next week or the week after she goes in for an alignment where the man comes and readjusts all of this if it needs it to bring the body back into square and all that sort of stuff. So anyway, that's another job done. So now I'll just tighten these two things up here, tighten up the locking nuts, those things. See, they're still loose, and that one's still loose. See, so that one I'll get the Stilson on and tighten that one up first, and then I'll tighten that one up with the Stilson again. Then I'll put the wheel back on, and then I'll take the stands and everything off, and then we're done. I'll be back shortly. Alright, there we go. The wheel's back on, it's all tightened up. And yeah, and I've just done this one up first, this nut with a Stilson, and then I've just done this one up onto that one. So it's all nice and tight. It's not going to go anywhere. None of them are loose, and she's all done up nice and tight. And as I said, she's done, wheels back on the ground, and we're all done. There you go. Woo woo.